When I first heard about blast-proof David's Shield, I didn't rush to buy it. There were too many ads, too many claims, and I've seen people get scammed with fake versions before. But after doing my own research and looking into the original product, I realized this one actually stands out. It's not just talk, it's designed to protect in real emergencies. The material feels durable, the design is compact, and it clearly isn't something cheaply made. This is not one of those flimsy items that look good online but fail when you need them. To be honest, I ordered one from another site just to compare. Big mistake. It looked similar in pictures, but when it arrived, I could tell it wasn't real. Weak quality, missing instructions, and no guarantee. That's when I understood why people say you should only buy from the official source. The original blast-proof David's Shield is protected, tested, and comes with everything it promises. There are so many sellers using the product name just to grab attention. But what they send is nowhere close to the actual item. It's risky, and definitely not something you want to trust in a crisis. I made sure to order my second one directly from the official site, and the difference was clear right away. From the packaging to the build, everything was professional and solid. If you're planning to get blast-proof David's Shield, don't fall for lookalikes. Safety gear isn't something you can afford to compromise on. Buy it from the official source, and you'll get what you pay for: real protection and peace of mind. Anything else is just a shortcut to disappointment. I've seen the fake and the original side by side, and I'll say this with confidence: only the real blast-proof David's Shield is worth trusting when it counts.